one of this video. As you guys can see, the whole truck is gonna get painted. We took it out of the lift because we were doing something on the lift, but yeah, guys, stay tuned. We ordered the spacers. We're gonna go pick them up today for the tires. And this is the hood scoop that's gonna go on the hood. And then this is the flares. And there's other stuff. So just stay tuned. We're gonna make sure every little detail, freaking degrease this whole truck and make it look good. We have the grill already, we have everything. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Guys, these are the fender flares. They're gonna go on the truck. You guys can see that's the part for the back. He's about to do the undercoat right here. On the side is a protection. And yeah, guys, these handles are primed like that because we're gonna paint the mirrors and the handles the same color as the truck. We don't know if this is gonna go on there yet. We're not sure, but that's gonna get painted the same color. We already put the lips on because the lips gonna be painted the same color. But yeah, guys. Alright guys, so we just finished putting the paper on the truck. Everything's already wrapped up. He's priming right now the spots that need to get worked on, but everything has paper. And now we're gonna hit it with the first hand of a base coat. It's gonna be a base coat, it's not gonna be the paint. And then after we're gonna do the paint. The paint we chose for this truck is like a metallic. It's a pearl. It's not the same white. It's like a pearl. It has like the 2018 Subarus kind of look alike. It's a little description of it, but you guys gonna see it's gonna come out really good. I'm gonna try to record the whole process. I'm gonna speed it up though because he's gonna be spraying the paint and he's gonna do a lot of coats. He's gonna do about 5 coats just to cover everything really good because white takes a while to get covered. But yeah guys, as you can see it's looking good. We just got the headlights in today. I want to show you guys. There's a little bit more parts coming, so grab it for you guys. That's how it's gonna look. Looks really good, but yeah guys, so there's gonna be a part 2 of installing all that, but first we're gonna get this painted and then we're probably gonna wet sand and buff it tomorrow. And yeah guys, so just stay tuned. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of him painting. Hey guys, so this right here is the pearl. As you guys can see, this is what goes on top of the real paint, what gives it that sparkle. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the, I don't know if you're gonna really see the paint on the camera. I don't know if the camera's gonna do its true justice, but yeah guys, it's a dope color. It's just, I don't know if you guys seen one of those 2018 Subaru WRXs with the pearl. It's pretty dope white. So yeah guys, this is about the 4th hand. I think he has like 2 more to go. And then we're gonna get the real paint and go around probably 3 coats. He's doing 6 coats of that, so probably another 3 coats, and then we're gonna do 4 coats of pearl and see how it comes out, guys. Let's continue. Guys, he's doing the pearl right now, and he's trying to get at least 3 coats of pearl for each panel, and this thing's coming out insane. This pearl is so, it looks so good. Look at this, guys. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick up, but look at this pearl. Let me try to focus. this camera's picking up, guys, but this thing is insane. Beautiful, guys. Just look at the difference. Catch you guys in a little. He's gonna do 2 more coats of pearl, and then he's gonna do the clear coat. And yeah, guys, see you in a little. Alright, guys, that is it. That was the last coat of clear coat. As you guys can see, came out pretty good. We did get some drips, but we made sure we did 3 coats of clear coat, so then when we do wet sand, white is usually pretty easy to get the drips out. But it came out really good, as you guys can see. This pearl is amazing. This paint looks awesome. It's crazy. Came out really good, guys. The mirrors, you guys can see, awesome. Flares, everything came out good. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end to this video. Stay tuned for more. This is just part 1. It's gonna be part 2 when we wet sand and buff it. And we're probably gonna start putting it together, and then I'm gonna make part 3, installing all the aftermarket parts. And yeah, guys, so just stay tuned. This is gonna be a really cool build. I'm gonna go and pick up the spacers tomorrow for the new wheels and tires. And yeah, guys, see you on the next video. Peace.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody.